treats? No. Want 'em?
But as you can see, Frank only talks in the movie.
That's what you think, Hal. Got any more of those treats? I'm starving.
Yeah, here's one, but the rest are in the
Yes! Look out!
Wait, Frank, he wasn't open yet.
Gotta go!
Okay, give it up for Frank McCall. Now moving on, what are you doing, guys? Cut. I knew it. Get out of here, you stage hog. Now for our next sample, sir, we're going to show you that not only can our animals take cues from us, the trainers, they can take them from you guys as well. Help me welcome out for the movie show, dogs. It's Maple. Hey. Now Maple here is so smart that she knows the difference between items of clothing. But even cooler, she can read minds.